So what you achieve is really up to you. And the thing is, if you want to achieve a lot, which I wanted a lot in life, and you have to be willing to do what other people are not willing to do. That's just a basic thing. As other people want to just hang out, drink beer. I'm not saying I never have a beer. Of course I have a beer, but it's like they just want to watch television, want beer. They'd rather not do the stuff. You guys are probably not like that because you're spending your Saturday here, but you notice that impulse in yourself. I notice that impulse in myself. I don't want to do it, but my goals keep me up and doing stuff that other people aren't willing to do. And um, and nobody cares whether you do it or not. In fact, your friends and family might prefer if you don't achieve your goals because you're going to leave them in the dust. So you have to realize this is a private endeavor that nobody really cares but you. You can hire people to care about you, which is called therapists and coaches. But as soon as you stop the money, that care goes away. You have to build that inside yourself. If you want to become a millionaire, if you want the great relationship, you got to keep pushing for it and taking the actions that are necessary. And I just would not give up. You know, some people said, oh, you're too old to find love, or you're too this, or you're too that. I just kept going. I just kept going. And it's not very exciting when you're starting your millionaire journey, when you've got $30,000 saved. You're like, geez, this isn't really anywhere. But you just keep going and you keep going. And then it turns into 100,000 and it turns into a couple 100,000. And it still doesn't seem super sexy because you're looking at all these magazines of people with yachts and stuff. And it's like, you just keep going.